Hey guys, we're Keely and Philly from Chapter by Chapter. And this is our home on wheels, Martha. For the last few weeks we've been travelling around Spain, enjoying all the sights and beauty that this country has to offer. Now, we thought van life in London had its challenges, but it turns out travelling around in Spain has had some too. So after a week full of feels, we've actually made a change of plans. So stay tuned to see what we're talking about. Now that is a misty beach.
Busy enough down here. Behind you.
Whoa! That is mad. So not that you guys can really see it, but this beach is absolutely packed as far as I can see. So we've made an executive decision.
Yeah, this is definitely not my vibe.
Yeah.
Definitely want to do somewhere a bit quieter.
I agree. Okay, let's hit the road, Jack.
We're in no man's land.
We've come to what's hopefully a quieter beach up here, but we'll see. This could also be pretty busy, but let's have a go.
This place is also like, super busy, and it's really misty. You can see the mist, man. It's crazy. It's really cool. It is cool. Yeah, I think so. Let's go find a nice park up. Yeah, in nature with nobody else around.
Okay. We've parked her up. We're going in pursuit of the sea. Everywhere we went was absolutely bunged, so we're basically trying to find our own beach now.
Yeah, we're completely bunged. There's like people on top of people. Crazy.
Let's go. Hiya! Oh, okay.
Right up on it.
Right up on it. Hey, come on. What are you doing? Just got a dog on her mat. Oh, why are you so cute? Hey, why are you so cute? This mat already stinks of dog.
I want to stay here.
Well, we made it to the beach, didn't we? Well, I don't know if you'd call this a beach, but look at this. We went for a wee dip in the rock pool and everything, and we seem to have made a companion who's just taken over our mat. Oh, Philly, this is quality. This dog's literally taking us over. But man, look at that. Adios! So did you enjoy that?
That was just what the doctor ordered.
A wet dog on your rug.
That's so random, isn't it? That dog loved us.
That dog was so cute.
It was just nice to get in the water.
Get a good clean on, get the hair scrubbed out. Pull in on a lay-by on a random road and climb down a mountain over a river. And
that worked so well because like we went to a spot where there's only like a few other people came by.
And our new dog friend.
You know, and it was like just a lot more magical.
Yeah, that was much lovelier than that other beach. We're gonna find somewhere we're gonna try and park up for the night. Vamos! Yeah, that's Spanish for let's go, I think.
Vamos! Boom. Coffee's on.
You making me coffee?
I'm making you coffee. Coffee's brewed.
Horse in the middle of the road. And it looks like a racehorse or something, doesn't it? It looks absolutely gorgeous.
Don't charge me, please. He looks like a young'un.
Just going up this quiet country lane, casually met by a horse to one side and a steamroller to the front. Well, the good thing is we thought this ground was very rough, and it looks like this steamroller's just flattened that for us.
So nice.
What a guy, thanks. You knew we were coming. You ready some for bouldering?
Ready some for?
Ready some for?
Ready some for?
Ready some for?
Can you talk?
We've parked up Martha. Oh, you want to talk about that road?
The road that we drove up to get here. Kiosk getting there, and it being very like dishevelled.
The road, yeah.
Unsealed and all over the place. So we got here, and the boulder field looks insane.
And it's still sunny for now. To give context of weather, it's been pure storm for ages. We were planning to go to the city today because it was super stormy and do some indoor. We woke up and it was sunny, so we thought we'd risk it, even though the forecast said 75% chance of rain. So we're gonna give it a go.
Yeah, it's called Santa Gadia, and I don't know what that means, but there's a pretty hefty amount of boulders. Let's go and see. Okay.
Here's the map.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
I've got space buttons today, don't judge me. But I'm feeling very depleted today. Let's turn you around so you're not in the sun, so you're looking at me this way. Ah, there it is, guys, there it is. Number one reason I'm feeling stressed today. Oh my word, I don't know if you can hear it. There's bees everywhere. And big, gross, buzzy flies. Things that sit on me and look like they want to eat me. And I've been sprinkled like a billion times by these things. These are very sprinkledy. Oh my word, there's more buzzing. There's itching, there's stuff on me. There's stuff on me everywhere. There's stuff on me everywhere. There's buzzing everywhere. I just think I haven't had enough coffee today. This stuff wouldn't usually annoy me so much. Like, this place is definitely super beautiful. Yeah, it's just really hard to find climbs. I mean, there's loads of them, like look. Boulders literally everywhere, but tried to climb numerous boulders and realised that they were too crumbly or dirty. They looked fun to climb, but they're not like safe to climb or whatever. And then we find ones that are proper marked routes, but then they're like too hard for us and we can't find the low ones. And then that definitely looks like it contains rain. Just not a good day today. We accepted that this was just a failure of a day for climbing, so we headed back to the van to get me some coffee, get me some energy, and then Billy, the absolute madman, decided he wanted to go for a run. So I got the drone out and tried to hide from the flies. Sometimes you can make the best plans in the world, but if you aren't enjoying yourself, there's no point in sticking to it just because you said you would. I suppose we've got to remember that our home's on wheels and we can kind of do whatever we want. Okay,
There's like 4 flies on the Osmo.
Yeah, let's get out of here. They're everywhere.
What did they crawl on the lens?
Billy, you've about 70 on them. Like literally, they're like flies to shit and you're a big cow shit.
Yeah, there's like all of my hands and everything.
Yeah, let's get the flock out of here.
I'm not vibing this.
I'm not vibing it. But I'm also okay with not vibing it, you know? Oh, hi! The struggle, me trying to get up here.
Yeah, right there. Stop touching me. Moo.
Hey. So, we haven't really been very good at filming for the last few days, but the truth is, the weather has been crap and we've just been hiding in the van and going to indoor climbing gyms. So anyway, we thought we'd ride it out and it would be clearing up in a couple of days, but it looks like it's going to keep being crap for another week. So we have decided, executive decision,
To go seek the sun!
yeah, because we both have lots of work we need to do. Our laptops need solar power, our mental health needs solar power.
Yes, that is true.
We're going seeking the sun, we're going to head down towards Madrid and North Spain, you've been beautiful. We will be back, but for now, let's
That's it. We will be back. Our home is on wheels, so we can come back, and it's only like a couple hours. Well, it's like 8 hours, but I don't mind. I don't mind driving. Driving's fun, and
Yeah,
like,
let's just drive.
it's
Let's
just exploring.
explore.
But check it out. What do you see? Here you go. This is what we've been subjected to.
The good thing is, the rest of Spain, it's all cloudy and rainy up at the top of Spain, and then the sun's all the rest of Spain, so we'll go get ourselves some
You
sun.
know that the rain is just going to follow us to South Spain.
Probably is, but we can try and outrun it as long as possible.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Vamos!
Oh shit, I'm the wrong way already. Check it out. Our driving has paid off.
I see some blue sky.
Okay, okay, they look like rain clouds as well. But it also look like blue skies.
There's a glimmer of hope. So yeah, how long have we been on the road? 2 hours?
Yeah, just under 2 hours.
Listening to some Kinging It podcasts, obviously. I think it's the right decision. Like, we want to travel North Spain, obviously, but, you know, we've got a load of months ahead of us, so we can come back to it.
Yeah. Yeah, we can. Onwards to the sun.
So I've put in a parking spot and I've just realised it's taking us up this weird dirt road.
This is why I always choose parking spots.
Well, you know, we'll see how bad the road gets. At the minute, it's drivable. Is it? Oh, I'm afraid. Are we going the wrong way? Is this not right?
Where have you taken us to, Keely?
I don't know. I'm slightly afraid.
Oh, there goes everything in the back. Oh, you're struggling.
Oh god, that made me really scared.
So in future, will I just keep going for the park for nights?
Yeah. Do you think this lane's about to get even smaller? I'm never going to be allowed to choose where we park ever again. I'm afraid of this place.
The sign up there that says it's a conservation area and it's not allowed any vehicles that are not authorised. Pretty much.
Really? So we need to turn back?
See.
Oh, okay. So, massive
Only
feel.
authorised vehicles. Always. Yet again. Look where Keely brings us.
No, I brought us to a castle and that didn't work out.
It's still
Well, I thought it would work. Why wasn't that a good parking spot?
Whenever you have the rains, you always bring us to places like this.
Okay, so explain to me why that one I said where you looked out over the water and you had a castle behind you. Why was that not a good park?
Because we had to go down a bridge that wouldn't support the van. You're decommissioned. Check out this view though, it's sick.
We're in like some dumpy car park. Anyway, we're somewhere parked up for the night. We need food. Okie dokie.
Look, park-ups aren't always glamorous, but you just gotta make do.
Hello, living in London, our park-ups were never glamorous. Good morning, cool dude. Rocking my shirt, I see.
Why not?
Looking very fashionable.
We sat in this random town last night and it's got a castle, so rude not to.
Be rude not to.
We need to offer.
It's like a room built into the side of the castle. It's good. Not you. There, now you. Ooh, look. Just casually walking through a yard trade. It's into a castle.
The late 1600s.
Or are you making that up?
Yeah.
It was 16th century.
Told you.
Imagine owning that wee house with that wee plot of land. Just growing your own garden on the side of the castle.
Wunderbar.
I want to try to pronounce it, but I'll probably fail. Butrago.
Are you from Russia?
Oh yeah.
Butrago. From Russia. Don't look at this. Don't look at this.
People know that we've had to take that off to try and deal with the leak. This plant lives here, not because it's its new home, but because the leak runs through here.
Slow drip, and it just drips onto the plant, so it's kind of like,
You know, a lose-win situation. Did you enjoy your wee walk around that town?
that was nice.
I thought it was lovely.
Quaint little town.
Yeah, I
It's
mean,
nice going to places that aren't like super touristy and more of like a working town.
and no one's awake. This is keynote. If you go out in Spain before 10 AM, no one else is awake yet.
It's true, I love it. Perfect.
Like 5 people. Right, time for brekkie before we hit the road.
Overnight oats. We're still doing it.
Mine looks waterier than yours looks a bit crunchy.
Am I not on that one?
Oh yes, this one's mine. Okay, sorry. Okay, then mine looks better than yours, sucker. So, all fueled up and ready to hit the road.
As always.
Making our way to Madrid.
I can't even making my way downtown.
To Madrid. We have found a park up, walking down to the climbing centre. You feeling good?
Oh yeah,
You excited to climb?
of course, always. We made it to Madrid! We got some awesome climbing. Sorry, was that obnoxious for you?
You're very excited, but the climbing was so good in Madrid.
What's not to be excited about?
I know. And now we've went all the way from Madrid across to the east coast where
Yeah.
we are at this present moment, surrounded by farms and chickens and lots of awesome stuff. But you'll have to come back next week for that.
Please do.
Yeah. But we just wanted to say that van life, you know, is full of highs and lows, failures, successes.
Life in general, isn't it?
Yeah, that is life in general.
You take the bad with the good.
You just keep going.
That's it, exactly. There's
Just keep smiling.
good days and bad days.
Keep loving.
Keep loving.
Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week.
See you later.
Bye.
My hand is like this. Oh dear.
I've got a new blood blister. But anyway.
Blood blister.
Blood blister.
Wow, you're so good.
Right.